Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so children, in the last class we have done compare and order decimals. Compare and order decimals. So any doubt in that? What we have to do? Who can tell me to compare the decimal numbers? Yes, Pia. Okay. First, what we have to do?
First, we need to make the fraction into like.
Okay. First, we have to make the decimals into like decimals. Okay. Then.
And we should check the
integral part. We should compare the integral parts. If they are same, then only we will compare the decimal place. Okay. So what is the first decimal place after the decimal point?
Tenth.
After the decimal point, tenths. Very good. THS. Tenths. Hundreds. Thousandth. If tenths place are same, what we have to do? We have to check the hundredths place. If they are same, then only we will go to thousandth place. Okay. Thousandth place.
Same, it will be equal.
So we have done 11.26 questions. Okay. So we have 2 questions remaining in page number 62. Page number 62. I think question number 20 is over. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. 21.
Adinath, can you read question number 21?
Out of 100 people, 28 people traveled by bus and 31 traveled by train. Find the fraction of people who travel by bus and train. Express the fractions in the decimal form.
Ma'am, first we should add on.
Yes?
Ma'am, first we should add on.
Wait. First of all, we have to read the question carefully. So, out of 100 people. So, total how many people are there? 100. 100. Okay. Then 28 people traveled by bus. So, how you can write it as a fraction? 28 by
31.
Huh?
28 by 31.
Who is telling me 28 by 31?
I'm sorry.
Huh?
100.
Who's that?
Alok.
Alok, always we will write the total only below that. Denominator will be the total. So which is the total here?
100 is the
100.
total.
So how, Alok, can you tell me how you can write the total is 100 and traveled by bus is 28. So how you can write it as a fraction? 28 by
100.
100. Okay, fraction form. Now decimal form, what's the answer? Who can tell me decimal form? How we can write 28 by 100? Yes, Adinath? 28 by 100 can be written as 0.28. Very good. 0.28. Okay. Now we have 31 traveled by train. So how we can write it as a fraction?
0.31.
0.31.
Listen to the question.
31 by 100.
31 by 100. 31 by 100. So this 31 by 100 can be written as 0.31. Okay. After that, find the fraction of people who traveled by bus and train. Okay. Express the fractions in the decimal form. Okay. Fractions in the decimal form. So total 28 people traveled by bus plus 31 people traveled by train. So what's the total? 28 plus
0.59.
0.59. 0.59. Okay. So 59 by 100 is the fraction for people who traveled by bus and train. You have to add bus plus train. So 28 by 100 plus 31 by 100 is 59 by 100. Then you have to write it as a number, a decimal form. Okay. So children, can we do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Page
Yes,
number,
ma'am.
all of you.
Ma'am, after these 2 questions, we will then do 11.2, right?
Ma'am, can I ask a question? Ma'am, they are asking us out of 100 people and 28 people traveled by bus and 31 traveled by train. And they are asking find the fraction of
people who traveled bus and train. So they are asking like 28 by 100 and 31 by 100, and we should write it decimals. Like that only, the question
We
is.
have to write and we have to add. Finally, you have to add 20. Bus and train means bus plus train. So 28 plus 31 you have to add. So that is 59.
Okay,
so
ma'am.
59 by 100. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So Ayman, what's your doubt?
When there's no doubt, I didn't ask.
Okay. So children, please take out your page number 62. Page number 62. Question number 21.
Number
So
21.
the question is again, we can listen. Out of 100 people, 28 people traveled by bus. So total number of people. First step we will write total number of people. It's how much? It is given 100. Now, number of people traveled by bus?
Travel by bus.
28. Number of people.
Ma'am, we should write 28 and 28 by 100.
Number of people means it is 28. Then fraction form, you have to write 28 by 100. That is the next step. Number of people traveled by bus. Number of people traveled by bus. 28. Now write this as in the fraction form. Fraction form for this people who traveled in bus or traveled by bus. Fraction form. Check whether you have enough place, the lines, okay? So fraction form and decimal form you can write in one step, one line. Fraction form is 28 by 100. So write the same sentence, we can write the decimal form.
28 by 100. And decimal form is 0.28.
0.28. So those children who have any doubt in how to write the decimal form, see, listen to the number of zeros. In the yes.
When can I write in the side of number of people traveled by bus?
Okay, you can write the side also, you can write. So children, those who had doubt in how to write the number in the decimal form, please check here. We have 2 zeros. 2, 0. Okay. So after the decimal point also, how many digits, how many decimal places it should be there? 2 decimal places. Okay. So next one, like this, how we can write number of people traveled by train. Number of people traveled by train.
Number of people traveled by
Number of people
31.
traveled by train.
31.
31. In the next step, you can write fraction form.
31 by 100.
31 by 100.
And decimal
Fraction
form
form.
0.31.
It's 31 by
0.31.
100. So next on the side, you can write decimal form.
Ma'am, after writing these and all, we have only one line.
Only one line.
Yes, ma'am. After writing these all steps, we have only
Children,
one
please
line.
let me see. The sound is very low. Let me check whether it is audio is very low. I cannot hear properly. Let me check. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Hello. Excuse me. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So decimal form is 0.31. Okay. It's not possible to write it here. 31. So decimal form. After that, number of people traveled by bus and train. And on that same line itself, if you have place, you have to write fraction form and decimal form.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't have place to write fraction form.
So after the line, make it small and write. After that, before the next question, try to find out some place to write small. Number of people traveled by bus and train. Number of people. That's why I told you to. You can write two sentence, one side form like that. Number of people traveled by bus and train.
59.
Bus and train. So you can add 28 plus 31.
Compulsory to write fraction form and decimal form.
31 is equal to 59.
It is compulsory because to find the fraction. Find the fraction. It is written. So
decimal form, a fraction. We can write only this. We should write both.
We should write
or
both
only
because,
decimal form.
see, after writing the it as a fraction only, we can write it as a.
Okay, ma'am.
Because when you write it as a fraction, it is very easy. So next one, fraction form and decimal form in one line.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the number of people traveled by bus and train equal to 28 plus 31 equal to 59. And you can write 59 by equal to 59 by 100.
That also you can write.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Fraction, yes, Gautam.
Instead of 28 plus 31 is equal to 59, I write 28 by 100 plus 31 by 100 is
Then also same answer, no problem. Decimal form. Decimal form is equal to 0.59. So if you have place here means fraction form, decimal form from the beginning, total number of people and number of people traveled by bus and all, you can make it in one line, two sentences.
Ma'am, I also get full of that.
So children, here how we started, total number of people is 100. So if you want to write number of people traveled by bus also in same line, you will get one more line. So that is bus 28 children, 28 people. So fraction form, how you can write 28 by total number. What is the total number? 100. So you can to write decimal form. Decimal form is 0.28. Same like that, you have to write the step. Number of people traveled by train 31, fraction form 31 by 100, decimal form 0.31. Then the last step is bus and train, means you have to add number of people traveled by bus, that is 28 plus train is 31. So 59 fraction form, 59 by 100 decimal form is 0.59. So now it's over. Yes. Okay, question number 22.
Ma'am, can I read, please?
Okay, Fia.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you show the other side? I was late for class.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, can I read, ma'am?
Yes, Fia.
58 out of 100 students in a class play football and the rest played cricket. Express the number of students playing football and cricket as fractions and also in the decimal equivalence. Write the decimals in the place value chart.
Okay. So here, 58 out of 100 students in class football, they play football. So number of students played football is 58. The total number is 100. The rest play cricket. So can you tell me how many children played cricket? Total is 100. Okay, I will send the notes. Okay,
42.
after the class, I will send the notes. 42. Okay.
42.
So, okay. People played, that is 58. So how many played cricket? You have to minus 100 minus 58. So the answer is 42.
Get 42.
So now we can express the number of students playing football and cricket as fractions and also in their decimal equivalents. So 58 by 100, you have to write in this fraction and decimal form. Next one, 42. Then what we had to do? write the decimals in the place value chart. So you have to finally draw one place value chart also. Check whether you have enough place.
Ma'am, at the last we can do the place value chart.
Last only after writing everything. Please see the next page whether you have place to draw place value chart in the next page.
Ma'am, only 5 lines.
Huh?
5 lines.
Only 5 lines.
So we will not get enough.
Enough place. So after 5 lines, is there any? What is the next chapter?
Ma'am, I have got a space. Ma'am, 10 lines are there.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Okay.
there is a space. Ma'am, there is a space.
Space. Okay. So
Ma'am,
first of all,
63.
yes.
Ma'am, in the page 63.
That's what I told you. Check in the next page. So you told only 5
we
lines.
have 5 lines. In the upper that there is space, so we can draw.
That's what I told. In page number 60, you can draw. I told in the next page you have place. So you have to check. So what you have to do? First of all, start writing in page number 62. Number of students who play football, then cricket, then write in the fraction form.
To write the total.
So number of students who play football, or first we can start with the total number of students. Yes. Page number 62. Question number 22. The last question. Question number 22. Total number of students. Total number of students is equal to 100. Number of students who play football. Number of students. Number of students play football. Football. How many?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
After we should find the fractions and we should find the decimal equivalent.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, number of students play cricket. Number of students. Yes.
And decimal equivalent means that equivalent.
Just write the decimal form. Just write the decimal form. That is equivalent.
Then
to
we
the
should
fraction.
write the place value
Equivalent
chart.
means you have to write the decimal form that is equivalent to the fraction form.
Then we should write that decimals on a place value chart.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Okay, children. Can you do by one step? Total number of students. What is that? 100. Number of students play football. 58. Number of students play cricket. How much? 40. How you can find out? 100 minus 58. You want to do that step? You want to write that step? 100 minus 58 which is equal to? Otherwise, you can do without, just write 42 also, no problem. Now, fraction of students who play football. Fraction of students who play football. Write it as the
58
next
by 100.
58 by 100. Fraction of number of students of fraction of number of students.
Ma'am, we can write that 21, 20, first question, we can write that, oh sorry.
Right, like that also, no problem.
Fraction form and
Fraction form and decimal form. But I have written here number of students play football and cricket together. So if I write fraction form means it's not clear. That's why. So if you have written like this number of students play football 58, after that you can write fraction form. Then no need to write it as a full sentence like this.
Ma'am, after we write fraction of students play football, in the side itself we can write decimal form, right?
Yes, yes. Fraction of number of students who play football.
Ma'am, I think so. Students who play football, it is 26 and above.
What's that, Gautam? It's not clear for me. 58 by 100. So after 58 by 100, no need to write it as a Just write 0.58. No need to write a decimal form and all. There will not be any place. You have only 5 lines over there. So just write fractional numbers. No problem. Yes, Simon. What's the doubt?
Ma'am, the decimal equivalents, we should just find the biggest fraction, right?
No need to write. Just which is the fraction equivalent, decimal equivalent to 58 by 100. Just write the fraction.
In the
Decimal.
side, I wrote fraction from football and then I wrote 50.
No problem. No problem. You can just write on the side equal to. That's also correct. Now write the same fraction of number of students. Fraction of number of students. If you write, I told you no. If you write just fraction form, it's okay. Or if you write a fraction of students play cricket. Who play cricket. So cricket, how many children? So what is the fraction for that? 42 children. 42 out of by 100. 0.42.
42 hundredths.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the question says write the decimals in the place value chart. So I done students played football. I write the decimal in the place value chart. It's like that.
We have to, after this question, we are going to draw one place value chart. So what you have to do?
Total
0.58 and 0.42. You have to write in the place value chart.
Ma'am, separate out total.
In one place value chart, you have to write 2 place decimal places. So I will write, don't need to, like after the decimal. So what are the decimal forms here? 0.58 and 0.42.
0.42.
So how we will draw the place value chart? We don't have much places to write. So yeah, just we will write here. This is a decimal point. Decimal point. Okay. After the decimal point, which is the next tenth.
Ma'am, after the place value chart, we need to write something. Anything in write?
No.
After the decimal chart.
No. Now,
Ma'am, should we
hundredth. Hundreds.
we draw the
So
box?
we will write here ones. Before that also we have, there is no number, but we are writing. We have to write 0. So here we can write till tens only, I think. Now we have to draw the place value chart in a ones, tens, ones.
Ma'am, like this is correct.
I cannot see. Wait. Okay, after that I will stop sharing, then I will look. Now, decimal point. After the decimal point, we have tenths and hundreds. So this is the place. We know already we used to draw place value chart for numbers. But here, after the decimal point, we have decimal places. That's only difference. So how we can write a 0.580 in the ones place? Then in the decimal point, here we can write the decimal point. 10th place we have 5 and 100th place we have 8. Now do like the same 0.42. Here we have 0, the decimal point 42. So this place value chart, you have to write a decimal point because we have to do one column for point.
No, like this is correct.
Hmm?
No, like this is correct.
Show me. I can see only that point. It's not that much clear for me.
Ma'am, can you share the board?
Okay, Harsha. I will share the board. Okay, Harsha, I can see that. Okay.
Like this is correct.
Can you show before slide?
Wait. Children, just see. I will say again. Okay. Yes, Agnay, I can see. Okay. So tens, ones, then decimal point, tenth, hundred, 0.58, 0.42. Okay. Fraction of number of students who play cricket. 42 by 100 and 0.42.
And can you see?
Wait.
Integration.
Okay. Wait.
And you didn't write the step of equivalence.
Ma'am, this is correct. Ma'am,
Decimal equivalence means what?
Sorry,
Here,
ma'am. Sorry.
0.42. Okay, 0.58. Okay, so this is the decimal form. No need to write it again.
Man,
Equivalent.
some things are blurred.
Huh?
Man, some things are becoming blur in my phone.
So I am telling no need to write it. This is the decimal form. Okay, this is the decimal form. 0.42 and before the slide it is 0.58. So this is the decimal equivalent to 58 by 100. And in the next slide we have written 42 by 100. So this is the fraction and which is the decimal equivalent to that 0.42. Okay, this much only we have to do. Then we have this place value chart 0.58, 0.42. Okay, children, I think it's finished. I want to take the attendance. Okay, in the last, yes,
Ma'am,
please.
okay, go. Yes, okay, very good. Where is Richard, your book? Can I see again? Yes, Angelina. I am checking only that place value chart. Okay, Angelina. The next page, 63. Okay.
Ma'am, you will send the notes. Ma'am,
Yes.
I have not drawn the
Send the notes. Okay, I will send the notes. Let me take the attendance. Okay.
After the class, I will do it immediately.
Sub. Okay.
thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Okay, children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you.